New technology is emerging that promises to transform the way blazes are monitored, fought, and ultimately prevented. The Wildfire Alliance is a public-private partnership that includes Google and a startup called Muon Space. The alliance was created to bring space-based data and AI together to address the world's wildfires.
We're now at a place where we can build large constellations of mission-targeted satellites and collect massive quantities of new and important data with AI applied to it to do things like detection and monitoring and sort of extraction of useful information from that data. Google has now implemented fire alerting in the Google Maps system.
The first of the alliance's FireSat satellites will head to space in March. The drop in costs coupled with the increase in capability are what make a service like this now possible.